Tell me something about yourself.
Uh,
Don't pass you.
okay.
Okay.
My name is Shivam Yadav and I am 19 years old. I am live in Baljit Nagar near Patel Nagar.
Okay. So you're 19 years old. Currently, you are studying.
Yes, I am studying and I am practicing for for my future, and I am practicing for government job.
Okay. So you have ambition of clearing some government exams.
Yes, I have ambitions for clearing government job exam.
What do you want to become in your life?
I want to become a soldier in my life.
Okay. So like you want to become a soldier at just age of 19. Is there any some specific reasons or any motivation?
My motivation is my father and my brother, because my brother is 17 years 18 years old, and they join Indian Army, and that time I am thinking one day I become a soldier. That is the reason why I want to join Indian Army.
Okay. And if you have that dream, so you know that this is a job with a very high responsibility. You are capable of it, or you are ready for it.
Yes, I am ready for it because nation is first. I think so, because nation is first.
Okay. Anything you want to ask?
Uh, Tell me about yourself.
Okay. My name is Vivek Singh. Currently, I am 21 years old. I have just cleared my graduation with BCom, and I'm working in MNC in India, or not India. I'm currently working in MNC with the process Amazon. As you know, Amazon is a company of world's richest man. So currently, I am also pursuing my career in some MNCs and all, and I'm also doing some modeling stuff side by side. I'm also doing some bodybuilding stuff side by side. So there are so many things that are currently going in my life. So just it. And
I have a question for you. Uh, you never trying to grow for government job.
no, I never tried it. Just because everyone has their own taste in career, everyone has own choices, options. So I have never, like, I was not that much good student in, like, from childhood. It's just about English and all. It's very good for me from childhood, but not that much very good in studies in competitive exams. It is not my cup of tea. So I rather prefer to do something where I am capable and where I can do my best. So I have never tried even. I have never ever tried for government exams.
Okay. We live in India, and you know very well. The Indian society is thinking about the government job was necessary for a student and person, and if you have government job, they respect you as must have private job. So what about you thinking about?
Like if we talk about the current year of 2021, we all knew that there are not that much of government job facilities that we can talk. Like if we talk about 2000, so at that time government job has so many facilities and so many things. Like there are so many jobs that had lost the pension facility as well now. So many government jobs do not have pension facility as well now. So yes, we can say that Indian society always be like always choose a person with a government job rather than a private job. But it's all about me, what I really want to become in life, and it's all about, like, it always have effect on my family what I am doing. So just imagine I am like giving exams and getting failed just because I'm not capable. I know everyone has their capability, and I know my capability that I will not clear it. So what if I'm just doing exams again and again and doing nothing, just what we can say, saying bad thing to my life, cursing my life to not clearing that. So rather than that, I am doing some productivity, like I am investing my time somewhere that can, like, I'm currently earning a good money. So I have recently bought bike, I have recently invested in some things, I have recently gave so much money to my home we have built a new home, so I have given so much money there too. There is no need of we cannot say that a person that have government job is a successful person. Even private fields also, there are so many things, there are so many facilities.
That's why you choosing private job.
Private job is for me from starting at from when I have started the job at 18, when I was 18 years old. So it was a cup of cake for me. I just gone for interview, I cleared it in a first attempt, and then I have tried my luck in Policy Bazaar, which is India's largest insurance online aggregator. I had cleared that interview in first attempt at 19 years old. So not a big deal for me. Like private companies always ask for communication skills and English, which is like you can see that I can speak fluently. So it is not that big deal for me.
Okay, brother, thank you. We are suffering before 2 years from coronavirus.
Yes.
And lockdown also. And that time people thinking if we have government job, then we earn money. And the private sector person was thinking if we are doing government job, then we earn money. And that time the private sector was losses a lots of thing and money also. So you want to say something?
Yes, that was a very bad time. We cannot say just for private sectors. It was a bad time for everyone, for every single person. Like in a whole world, not just in India. In a whole world, it was a bad time. Like a person who has a great business. So in Corona time, they have lost almost all of their savings and all. But yes, I know so many people who have lost their job between this, and there are so many people who are working in their half salary just because company has reduced the salary, and you have to earn just because you have a family, so you have to earn it. It was a bad time for everyone, not for just government employees. If we all can remember, so there was only few sectors which were running at that time, very few sectors of government. Maybe there is some banks on limited time and all, but mostly even on a government sectors, mostly jobs were closed at that time. People were not going on job, like teachers, they are not getting that much salary. And so yes, that was very bad time for all of us. And even in private sectors it got worst. That's the difference. In government sector it got bad, in private sector it got worst. So yes, everyone has faced that and we all are recovering from it. So it was a very bad time for all of us.
Thank you, brother.
Anything else?